guys, Lori Youngdahl with Oils for Rookies. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make your own foaming hand soap if you can't find some in the stores. This is a version that is going to be, you're going to know every single ingredient in here, which makes it healthy for you. It's not going to have things that are going to strip your skin or have unwanted fragrances that could cause all kinds of issues like with skin, or sometimes when people breathe in the synthetic fragrance aroma, then it makes that a little trickier for like coughs and people with asthma and stuff. When they have synthetic fragrances, it can be irritating. So what I use is Castile soap. I mean, this brand is Dr. Bronner's, but there are a lot of other good liquid Castile soaps that are out there. And you're going to add, I probably put a little too much in this container, but roughly what I do is I kind of will stick one of my fingers and I'll pour the soap up until about that level. Not very precise, but if I had to guesstimate, I'd say it's somewhere between a third of a cup and a half a cup. Next step is to add essential oils. And after I did a little bit of research and found oils that would have the power-hitting, strong properties that I was looking for making my soaps, I settled on two pretty darn cost-effective and reasonably priced essential oils, and that would be clove and lemongrass. Why did I pick these? Well, probably because at the time I wanted to save my thieves for diffusing and using for some other applications, and that I knew I was going to be going through a lot of foaming soap when my kids were young, and I think that's how I ended up on this recipe. You can definitely make foaming soap with pretty much any essential oil that you have. I have a friend who loves making it with rosemary and lemon. You could use eucalyptus in something. I mean, it's literally infinite options. You could put some citrus oils in there. But these are my two favorites. So I typically, in this, it's about 10 drops of an essential oil total. So I'm just going to put 5 of the clove and 5 of the lemongrass. Now you can add a vegetable glycerin. That's something else that I have here. And the dimension that the vegetable glycerin adds is just a little extra moisturizing layer. Some people will add some vitamin E oil, and that's another option too. But it's literally that simple. And then the next step would be to fill it up. And just let me give you a little tip or a hint. Because the mechanism that creates the foaming soap, it takes up space inside the bottle. You don't want to fill it to water up to the top level. You kind of want to do it where it just starts narrowing. So fill line of the water till there. That way you've got room for this to get in there. And now you're ready to rock and roll. That's it. That's how you make a foaming hand soap. If you're one of those crafty people, you can put a cute little sticker on there, and now you've got something a little more decorative.